let me give you guys one example and then you can have a go. So here, given this equation here, make x the subject. To do this, visualize it as this. You've got one fraction here, take away this fraction, equals this fraction here. So your x is stuck in here, in this block. At the moment it's a minus a block, and ultimately you don't want minus x equals something. So what you do, you add this block to both sides, okay, and then later move this one across. Okay, you see what I mean later. So you are here at the moment. Let's add this block to both sides. So you will have this. Well, take this block down. 4 over 3c to the power 5, and then you're adding this block here. So it will be 3 over x minus 2b, and then on the left hand side it's just 2 over a squared. Okay, so at the moment you've got this fraction equals this fraction plus this fraction. You see, this block here is exactly the same as this block here, but it's a positive because we later on want x equals something, positive x. We don't want minus x. So first thing you do is take the whole block across, and then now this thing here doesn't contain x. So let's move this to the other side. So take away this block from both sides. So you will have this. Take this block down first, and then you take away this block here, 3c to the power 5, and then on this side it's just 3 over x minus 2b. Okay, so here you've got this. See these don't contain x, so that's good. So anyway, so now because of this long line here, this long divide line, it's saying 3 here divided by this bottom bubble here. Well, x is at the bottom. Okay, just know that we've got to take the reciprocal. Basically, get this bubble on top, because we can't really kill off we can't work when, well, just I don't know how or why I know. Just I have a hunch that we need to take the reciprocal both sides. Okay, just to get this bubble on top. So now you've got one fraction and another fraction. The reciprocal thing only works when you have one fraction. Here you've got two fractions. So let's merge them together. Okay, so let's times. In order for us to add or take away fractions, the two denominators have to be the same. Okay, so here let's times top and bottom by 3c to the power 5. Okay, this one here times top and bottom by c to the power 5. With this fraction here, let's times top and bottom by a squared. Okay, times top and bottom by a squared. Okay, so this fraction here becomes the 2. So these are going to multiply together. So 2 times 3 will be 6, and then you've got c to the power of 5. Okay, and that over now a squared times 3c to the power of 5. So number first, and then try and keep it alphabetical. So a squared c to the power of 5. Okay, and oh, we've got a minus in here, and then this fraction becomes well, 4 times a squared will be 4a squared over now get these two, multiply these two together, so it will be 3a squared c to the power 5. You see the two denominators are the same. And then later we can merge the two. Well, anyway, on the right hand side it will be this, because we're not doing anything. It'd be the same. We are just rewriting these two fractions in a different way. Okay, so here because the two denominators here are the same, we can merge these two fractions. Okay, so let's merge them. 3a squared c to the power 5. On the top it would be 6c c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. On this side, it will be 3 over x minus 2b. Okay. So here, remember, this is really in effect a bubble. Okay, because at the moment you've got this bubble divided by the bottom bubble. Because x is at the bottom, I had a hunch that we need to take the reciprocal of both sides. So let's take the reciprocal now. So hang on. So now we are taking the reciprocal of both sides. So it will be this, and this will be 6 c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. This would be x minus 2b divided by 3. Okay, and now, so keep an eye on x, because that's what you're trying to make the subject. Let's times both sides by 3. So remember, when you times a fraction, it goes to the top. So it will be 9 a squared c to the power 5 c blah blah blah. I don't know what I'm saying, but it would be this, and this would be x minus 2b. So now visualize as this, take away this. So let's add 2b to both sides. So it will be this, 9a squared c to the power 5 over 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared, and then add 2b equals x. Okay, so you're pretty much done now. Yeah, okay. Let's just leave it as this. Normally, I would ask you to merge the two by. Oh, okay. Let's do it. Now merge the two. So turn this into a fraction. So this will be 2b over 1, and this would be 9a squared c to the power 5 over this. So now this equals x, and now times top and bottom by this bubble here. Okay, so here times top and bottom by 6c this minus 4a squared, and remember, all this here exists in a bubble, and then this is the same thing. So you're timesing top and bottom by 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. Okay, so well, anyway, this fraction here stays the same. So it's like this: a c squared c to the power 5 over 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. So now this times this, it would be it would be this 2b bracket 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared, close it, and then 1 times this bubble here would be this 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. Okay, this side is x, and let me tidy this up. So now the two denominators are the same. So you could multiply this out. Let's multiply this out. This times this, it will be, hang on. So hang on. Let me just take this down first. And then this will be this. Take away 4a squared, and now let's just times the top part. Top times well, anyway, this times this would be 2 times 6 will be 12, and then b, and then c to the power 5, and now this times this, so it will be 2 times 4 will be 8, and then a squared b. Okay, and at the bottom it will be this to the power 5 minus 4a squared. Okay, basically I'm saying this fraction is the same as this fraction here, and this fraction here is the same as this fraction here, but just written differently. Okay, and now the two denominators are the same. Can you see that? So we can merge the two now. So it will be 6c to the power 5 minus 4a squared. Okay, can you see this is a bubble here, So yeah, so you can just merge the two bubbles, and then yeah, you just merge the two. So it would be 9a squared c to the power 5 plus 12bc to the power 5, and then minus 8a squared b. Okay, so yeah, so now x is this thing here. So you're done. But this video has been going on for a while. So in the next video, I will give this one for you to do. Okay, so watch the next video.